I just loaded my crypto.com and we got the money from the withdrawal. Shit is going crazy. These aren't supposed to be entertaining videos. My life as a day trader, as an entrepreneur, as a content creator isn't entertaining. Here's a little withdrawal process. So 250 is the amount I want to do. Right now it's 1052. Done. Now we wait. Just know, once I got that car, once I got that apartment that I'm looking for, some chains coming, the watches coming in. That's just crazy. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back. Today's a new day to be great, a new day to change your life, a new day to fucking make some money, build yourself 1%. 1% is all you fucking need. I promise you. There's no need to try to improve 100% overnight. You know why? Because it's not going to happen. You can improve a little bit every single day, and by the end of the month, by the end of the year, you're going to be so much fucking better. So much better. But you know what the main thing is? Continuing to do it for that month, continuing to do it for that year. Anybody could do something for 5 days, 3 months. Who's going to continuously keep doing it? Because guess what? We have a whole lot of time. A lot of us aren't going to die for a long time. We got decades on decades still. So how you start now is going to decide where you are in 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Let's get that working. We got the VIP call in about 20, 30 minutes. But I wanted to start this vlog off just with a little chat with you guys. I was just reading the comments. As you guys know, I read and reply to every single comment on the channel. Every single comment possible, every comment on the channel has been responded to by the time you're watching this video. And then you're going to have some new comments and I'm going to reply to all of those too. But that's the point of me being here. I'm here to help. I'm here to document my journey. But I was reading a comment and they were basically just saying their opinion, saying how they recommend me taking 2 to 3 days in between videos just to have the higher quality, just because it's getting a little bit repetitive and everything. And that's understandable. But I also want you guys to understand what these videos are. These videos aren't meant for entertainment. These aren't supposed to be entertaining videos. My life as a day trader, as an entrepreneur, as a content creator isn't entertaining. Majority of the entertainment comes from the life that I'm living because of all these things. But mind you, I'm not going to travel every day. I'm not going to do all these fun things every day because that's not the reality of it. I'm not where I want to be yet. You're not going to see me running a Lambo just to go have some fun. You're not going to see me fly to Cancun randomly just because these things cost money. I'm not where I want to be. The point of these videos is to document the journey, to show you guys the raw reality. Because guess what? If I can do it, you can do it too. Simple as that. But with that comment though, I appreciate all the feedback nonetheless. I don't take anything to the heart. I take everything to the chin. And I try to see where everyone's coming from. I try to look at both sides. That's how you win in the game. That's how you understand, because I'm not always going to be right. I'm not always going to be wrong. And it's good to understand that, so there's always room for improvement. And that's just how it is. But like I said, VIP call in 20, 30 minutes. Let's get to the crib. Let's get some money. Let's change our lives. We got a lot to do today. All right, just got my dog walked and everything. I was on the phone with the VIP call and everything while I was on the walk, just getting them all ready, getting it all started. Right now, we're about to see what this chart's looking like. Overall, I'm bullish, but we'll see what happens. Only time will tell. We're gonna see if we can catch a trade. If not, we're on to the next. I don't need to catch a trade to make money. I don't need to post videos to make money. I don't need to have VIP to make money. I have multiple different incomes so that money's coming in from all of them. You know what I mean? I don't gotta stress to chase it every single day. That's very, 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 very key. But let's get on the chart. I just wanna see, get a little retracement so I can get this entry, take it to that high. That should be the smooth trade. That's just crazy. That shit shot up. I hope y'all took that trade idea, but it happened fast. Happened fast as shit. Summer conditions are not it. So this is what happened today. We had 2 different trade ideas that were beautiful trade ideas on US 30 and NAS 100, both expecting the longs. The ideas played out, but by the time I went to wait for the retracement to let it actually get me the entry, because I was being patient today, I wasn't just trying to catch an aggressive entry due to all the volume, due to the fact that it's been very choppy today. I waited and shit ran. It left. It just fucking left. 2 times, 2 different trade ideas. I waited for the first one. I missed it. I was like, okay, if I take no trade, that's cool. Waited for the second trade. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for the retracement. It never retraced. It went and hit the TP. At least the trade idea played out. Show you, like, this is the trade idea that I sent to the VIP team, just like that at the 1 hour gap. The trade idea, I never got the entry, and then you can see this shit just started flying, and then after that it flew even more, and then it actually hit the TP. Now listen, the one thing I told the team, we may have not caught that trade, I may have not made money from that trade, but guess what? That same trade idea is going to happen again. It's going to guarantee happen again. I just got to be able to understand the process behind it. If I can anticipate this trade to play out and it worked, I could do it again. It's as simple as that. Look at all these missed trades, L trades, as positives because it's teaching you something that you know you need to improve. Simple. And now let's get the rest of our day started. Got to take this shower. We're going to head to the gym. And you know what we do every day? Get this work in, stay productive, change our lives. Shit is going crazy. Okay, so in the midst of all of this, I was able to actually catch this US 30 long. This trade, this literally hit TP and fucking reversed. My TP was at this high. I was risking $100 to make about 200. I was looking for a 1 to 2 from this gap right in here. This shit is falling now. But 5-10 minutes ago, when this shit pushed right in here, I didn't have the trade marked up because I was watching it on my phone. Right over here at that 1 hour gap, it was like something like that. But I got in somewhere around the 1 hour gap with about, it's because this is at 57, not 50. That's why I was like, this doesn't seem right. Right around there. Okay, I don't know the exact entry. You guys can see the entry from the fucking screenshot. But essentially, this shit pushed all the way up to that high. I got my TP hit, took my 250 as you guys saw, and this shit just fucking dropped. Was that a little bit of a forced trade? Honestly, yes, but no, because I took it on the Hanko Trader account. I didn't take it on the funded, didn't take it on the challenges, didn't take it on anything that I'm actively trading on a day-to-day. The Hanko Trade is like, I take 1 to 2 trades a week, if that. And honestly, that 250 I made, I'm withdrawing 200 of it, 250 of it at least. I don't care. I'm taking that money because guess what? When it comes to the funding accounts, when it comes to prop firms, you can't always take the money right then and there. When it comes to your actual broker, you can. That's the one benefit of having a live broker account like this. I can withdraw the money, which is what I'm about to do. So we about to get in the Hanko Trade and withdraw the shit. Here's a little withdrawal process. So 250 is the amount I want to do. Right now it's 1052. You can see the way I'm going to do it is through Bitcoin. We're going to withdraw. This is just the email. We're not going to get the money yet, but we withdraw, boom, 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 boom. Check our email. Yeah. Verify. Come down here. Verify that, John. Someone is my boy Vince from VIP, but we come in here, and then once it comes back, it should say you got like all complete in green. Let it load. Patience. Verification. Done. Now we wait. It's not no trade day. It's one trade day. We caught a little dub. Can't be mad at it. I wish I could have called it for the team, but it happened right the fuck after. It is what it is. They didn't need to be taking this trade. It's already 11 o'clock. They don't have the same confidence to take that trade that I would. But we're going to come back tomorrow. Another day, another opportunity. About to take the shower, so we're still heading to the gym. But I wanted to take you along just because I show you guys a day in the life. I want to show you something. Right now, you're probably mad confused. Like, why? Why am I up here for one? Why are you still not at the gym? And what are you about to tell me? You see these right here? You see these? You see these right here? You see this? All you dirty motherfuckers that don't clean your earrings, use this, right? So I'm gonna go into the cabinet, right? I'm gonna grab one of these. I use this every time. It's a little cup bucket, right? It's probably not called a cup bucket, but you're gonna put the alcohol in here, right? Put it all in, depending on how big your earrings are, depending on how much you gotta put. I got some big ass earrings, so I gotta put big ones. I gotta put a whole lot. Clean your earrings, put that shit in alcohol, clean your earrings after. Trust me, from someone that wears earrings all the time, from someone that likes jewelry, you wanna have clean jewelry and you wanna have clean ears. Now, if you have fake jewelry, that might fuck you up. But these are real earrings. These cost like $1,000, which wasn't a lot. These are still like cheaper end diamonds, if I'm really being honest. They don't bust it well, I want them to. But I gotta keep them clean, gotta make sure that they're not gonna give me no fucking ear infection, have bubbles on the back of my ears, all that shit. And yeah, I'm showing you this because not everybody knows that. If I can keep one of you from getting your fucking ear cut off, I will. But I also just wanted to let you know that this little jewelry that I got now, these little earrings, just know, once I got that car, once I got that apartment that I'm looking for, them chains coming, them watches coming. And I'm not just doing it to be like the rappers, to be like everyone else. I wanted all these things before any clout, before any YouTube, before anything. Back when I was just trading, only making money from trading, I had an account. It was a live account. And then, you know how you can name the accounts on your broker, like the Forex brokers? I had the account named VVS Fund. I have an email called VVS Fund 2022. I've been trying to make the money for these chains and everything. At one point, I could afford the chains that I wanted. I just didn't want to get them, but neither here nor there. Let's get these earrings clean. Then we're gonna head to the gym. This was kind of a random ass clip, but I hope you enjoyed it. Right now, just got done the gym and everything, as you guys can see. Look at my body. You can see by the veins. Look at that huskiness. I don't know what I'm gonna eat today, but I definitely wanna eat some good food. But as you guys know, if you watched yesterday's vlog, you know I had like this little business meeting with my girlfriend when we went to Olive Garden, when we went out to eat. I'm still not gonna really tell you guys what I'm like keeping secret, but just know what I'm doing is going to be building the legacy, building the empire, building FBA, building VIP, a whole brand, as an organization, FBA, me, all my businesses, everything. I need to do more numbers. I need to get in front of more people's faces. I need to put my skills in front of people. I need to show people how good of a trader I am. I need to show people how good of an educator I am, how much knowledge I have when it comes to money mindset trading. You know what I mean? You can have all the skills in the world, but if nobody knows who you are, it doesn't mean nothing. Now, you can kind of take a couple guesses. You can leave them in the comments, take guesses what you think I'm doing, but just know, I'm going 10 times harder. I'm not stopping anything that I'm doing. Vlogs every day, VIP every day, gym every day. But I'm gonna be adding a couple new things to the daily process that I need to start building. It's not gonna be something that's going to immediately make me money, immediately give growth. It could, it's possible, but I understand all good things take time, and that comes to any business adventure, not even just trading. Trading takes a long time to become successful, to understand, but that goes for any industry. Any industry is gonna take a lot of time, it's gonna take a lot of effort, it's gonna take trials and errors, L's to be able to get the W's. So the sooner you start, the better. The sooner you start trading, the better. The sooner you start working out, the better. The sooner you start that business that you've been thinking about, the better. And that's what I'm doing. I've been telling myself, I'm gonna start this, I'm gonna start this, I'm gonna start this. Fuck telling myself, it's time to start. So that's what I'm about to be doing on the computer. Because I was watching a vlog yesterday, and the main reason I picked up the camera right now is because every time I watch a vlog, people, they pull up their laptop and like, I'm about to get some work done. I'm about to get some work done. What is the fucking work? What are you doing? That's what we really want to know. What are you doing? Because we want to know how to make the money. Okay, so you just telling us, oh, I'm about to get work done sitting here in front of a computer. I don't believe that shit. So what am I about to do right now? Right now I'm about to build a couple emails. I gotta create a new email for this new brand, create the new account with everything on the website that I'm gonna do it on, create a new Instagram for the brand, couple new things that I'm about to build off, create some thumbnails, some banners, a whole bunch of different things to build the brand, just revamping at the end of the day. That's what I'm about to do right now. Then after that, I'm gonna go through all my money management and everything. Right now, I'm not really up that much for the day. We made about the $250 withdrawal from earlier when it comes to the trading, but right now we're up about $76 for the day when it comes to VIP sales. So I'm gonna just make sure I have everything written down when it comes to numbers. I like to document all my numbers when it comes to how many views I'm doing a day, how many sales I'm getting a day, how much I'm making from trading every day. I like to add all of it together because as you guys know, I'm not just a trader. I have multiple incomes. I have multiple different ways of getting paid. And just paying attention to one of them is not gonna be beneficial. I need to keep everything in check. I gotta make sure risk is managed with all my businesses. But without all the yapping, let me hop in, do this actual work. I love Florida. Every time I come out here into the heat, for one, my camera lens gets cooked, and two, my glasses get cooked. I can never see from this humidity, bro. Just got done doing the little work I was doing, got a couple things created. I love being creative. I love being able to sit down, visualize something, and then make it happen. That's why I love making videos, because before these videos are made, like as of right now, I know what the video tonight's gonna look like. The video you're watching right now, I can visually see the clips, visually see the intro, visually see transitioning. And that's just because I'm a visionary. And when you're a creative person, you're a visionary, you just like to make shit happen. You like to have it in your head and make it a reality. And that's exactly what I just did. I know it sucks that you guys aren't even aware of what I'm doing, but trust me. It's nothing that's crazy, but I guarantee you the results, if everything goes the way I plan, it's gonna be amazing. But nonetheless, gotta go get my girlfriend, bring her back, then we're probably gonna go get some food. I need some good ass food. I haven't ate shit today and it's already 2 o'clock. Got to eat, and you know with me, I'm gonna eat some good. All right, we was about to go get food, but I just loaded my crypto.com and we got the money from the withdrawal from earlier, from Hankup. I got the hiccups right now, but if I come over to the emails, I was just looking at when they sent it to me. Deposit request confirmed, and then I also got the email saying, what was it? The withdrawal email. Don't know why it has that, but you can see it was approved. And we got the money here. So now, yo, these hiccups are cooking me. I'm about to take this money out, put it in the bank. I already showed the process of how to do that, so just go watch the video, yo, these hookups. Family, this is where we end the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed all the content. Hope you enjoyed the withdrawal. Like I said in the beginning of the video, my life is very entertaining, but I try my best in the editing, in the after of the recordings to make it very enjoyable to watch, to make it feel like you're here with me. You're on the journey with me, and that's all I want you to understand. Why? I want you to realize that I'm not doing anything crazy. And if I could do it, you could do it too. If you want to learn what I do when it comes to my trade concepts, how I trade my system, check out the free trading course, the free trading webinars, completely free. It'll teach you everything when it comes to the trading concepts. Now, if you want to get that leveled up, if you want to level up, if you want to actually join a community of like-minded individuals to get good at your actual trading, anybody can learn the concepts, but getting experience is key. Learning to manage risk is key. Learning how to handle your emotions live is key. And that's what the community is for. We're here to help each other and build off each other, get funded, get capital, and just overall level up as traders and individuals on the day-to-day. And with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.